Here's how you can make your YouTube video go viral without fail. You can't. That's the cold hard truth, people. You can't really make any of your videos go viral because we don't determine that. The AI algorithm overlords do. But here are some things you can do to at least increase your chances of getting those sweet, sweet billion gajillion views. 1. Optimize your video for SEO. Now this is all what I consider the boring parts of creating a video that actually do a lot of work when it comes to people discovering and watching them. Talking about everything from video titles to descriptions to hashtags and analytics and thumbnails. Finding keywords and terms that your target audience is likely to be searching and implementing them into those elements will give you a slightly better chance of catching fire in that algorithm, baby. 2. Lean on current events or trends. See, most of the time what goes viral heavily depends on what's trending at the time. It can be pop culture or politics or other viral videos. You know how the internet works. It can be whatever. So you should always actively be taking note on what's popular at the moment, because making videos that relate to those hot current events or trends all helps you please the algorithm overlords. And if you want to go viral, you must always please the algorithm overlords. 3. Repurpose your videos into short clips. Repurposing your longer YouTube videos into short clips is a great way to increase your visibility and chances of going viral. See, it's a lot harder to get someone to commit to clicking on a YouTube video, but on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok for now, and YouTube Shorts, it's a lot easier for you to just pop up on someone's feed, and it's a lot less commitment for them to just sit there and watch it. It can lead to so much more exposure and engagement, which all funnels back into your original YouTube video. And a great way to make your social clips is to use Descript's Find Good Clips feature, which automatically highlights clip-worthy moments in your video, then makes it super easy to turn them into social posts. All in all, when it comes to making YouTube videos, going viral really shouldn't be your main focus, especially if you're just starting out. Because 1, it's mostly out of your control, if we're being honest, and 2, it's just not really sustainable in the long run. If you really want to make videos, the main reason you should be doing it is because you just enjoy making videos. But going viral never hurts. So if you do the stuff we just talked about, you might just hit the jackpot. Who knows? And if you do, you should totally give me a shout out because I want to go viral too.